let's just start off with the fact that I am going to be installing an OBD2 engine into an OBD1 car. OBD is onboard diagnostics, and well, the first generation, which is OBD1, is from 1986 to 1995, which is this vehicle's 1995. And from 1996 to the current year, which is 2020 as of right now, is OBD2. And well, basically every engine has the same OBD2, so to be honest, I'm going to be going over the general baseline things you need to get the conversion done, especially because for myself, I am doing the conversion to become California legal, so I have to go through the BAR certification for my vehicle, which is the Bureau of Air and Resources, I think. Yeah. So, with that being said, I have to go through a lot more hurdles. Things have to be more legitimate. Things have to look a lot cleaner and all stock. So as stock as it can be, you know, with what you got to work with. But at the end of the day, to put this engine right here is a 1997 Acura Integra GSR engine, which is the B18C one. And to put it into perspective, I had no idea what I was doing when I got this engine. I'll have a lot of people help me here and there, and I'm just gonna make this video to make it a lot easier. So starting off, you gotta get the engine. I got mine for $800. I got it for super duper cheap, and it was sitting in my gate area for like a couple weeks because I had no way to move it. Find a friend that has an engine hoist and a stand, or go rent one, but I don't recommend renting one because it costs way too much. Unless you know what you're doing, then you can rent it for a day, do the swap, and be done with it for the rest of your life. If you don't know what you're doing, like me, you go buy one for like a couple $100, or you buy it off your friend, or you borrow it from your friend. One or the other. Super easy, you load it up, you move it around, use an old tire, hold it in the air, blah blah blah. Get some straps. You don't need an engine balancer, but it is the safer option. You get the engine, you take it apart. You clean everything. You figure out what you need to do. One option is you fix it yourself. And lo and behold, Lord knows what you're gonna do and how you're gonna mess up. So, my friend gave me this engine for $800 with the transmission, ECU, and engine harness. It's a really good deal, couldn't turn it down, but I needed a rebuild. So, I had to bring it to a machine shop.
The bar.
The car's dirty as shit. Engine's good. Engine's good.
Oh yeah, I haven't had it. There you go. Press yourself in this, man. Holy.
That's cool. And, you know, to make labor less intensive, I took it all apart myself, labeled everything I needed. I should have labeled it just a little bit better, but I forgot, but I was too lazy. So I'll have to struggle a little bit later on. I wouldn't recommend it if your engine's totally fine, but a rebuild would basically make it more reliable so you don't have to yank it out of your car one last time just so you could fix it after like 100 miles. Come back, you put it back together as you see here. you kind of get to this point, and you're wondering, man, this took a lot longer than I thought, because you get the engine, you wait a little bit, and the month passes. You finally start touching it, then you drop it off at the machine shop, and you gotta wait another month or two. So then 3 months pass, and now you're sitting here in front of a camera trying to figure out what the hell you're trying to do. But yeah, it's going in this car. In the next video, I already ended this video. This is probably gonna be like a 6-minute video. I've been recording for about 10 minutes. So, as you can see, it's going in this car next video. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Super short and simple. As I go through this, I'm going to accumulate a list, and at the end of this entire series of videos, I'm going to make one last video going over exactly what you need to do the entire swap without missing anything. And this is for a 1995 Honda Civic hatchback. Well, and then the engine is the Acura Integra B18C one. So I hope you enjoy. Hope you stick around. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'm gonna most likely do this for every single video just because I want to record and make my life easier. Instead of talking like vlog style, I'm gonna talk like this and kind of voice over what I'm doing, what I plan to do, and just to make my life a little easier. So yeah, subscribe, and hope you join me on the journey of putting a new engine in the car for the first time. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye! Wait, no, I'll say it over here. Bye!